Are you living in Europe and looking for smart ways to make money online in 2025? What if I told you that people across the UK, Germany, Netherlands, and beyond are already making 100 euros or more every day using just ChatGPT? Well, you're about to learn exactly how they're doing it, step by step. And we're diving into the future of side income today. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or even someone with no technical background, ChatGPT can become your personal money-making assistant. From writing content to building businesses, the possibilities are real. Let's break down 3 real ways Europeans are using ChatGPT to earn 100 euros per day. Step 1. Freelance writing with ChatGPT, up to 50 euros per day. Go to websites like Fiverr or People Per Hour. Search for gigs like blog writing, product descriptions, or email marketing. Here's the trick. Instead of writing manually, use ChatGPT to generate high-quality text for clients. Example prompt. Write a 500-word blog post about the benefits of remote work for a European audience. You can easily deliver 2 to 3 projects a day and earn 20 to 50 euros, depending on the job. Step 2. Create and sell AI-powered digital products, up to 30 euros per day. Europeans are creating ebooks, planners, Instagram captions, resumes, and selling them on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. With ChatGPT, you can generate entire content packs in hours. Let's say, create a 7-day productivity guide for freelancers in Europe. Boom. Turn that into a beautiful PDF, upload, and start selling, even while you sleep. Step 3. Start a YouTube automation channel. Scalable, 100 euros plus daily. Just like this channel, many people are using ChatGPT to write scripts, then combining it with voiceovers and free footage from sites like Pexels and Pixabay. No need to show your face, and yes, it works. You can start with niche topics like AI tools for freelancers, make money with ChatGPT, top AI websites 2025. Once monetized, your videos can bring passive income daily. So if you're in Europe and serious about making money online, ChatGPT isn't just a trend, it's a tool, a business partner. Start with one of these methods today. Keep it simple, keep it consistent. The hustle pays off. Let me know in the comments. Which method are you going to try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs it. This was NextGen AI Hustle, bringing you the smartest ways to earn with AI. See you in the next video.